All right, I've got that blade off, and I wanted to show you a couple things here that, lucky me, I work on so many mowers. I have an adapter that fits this. It's very, very common. This is the stripped one. That's the stripped one that came off of there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but see the points are completely, little bow tie ends are completely sheared off. So there's nothing grabbing the blade. And the nubs that also hold it are gone. And this is what it should look like. See how that's raised up? You can see the little bow tie, that's gonna, and the nub is there, and the nub is there. So this should work on this crankshaft. Let's see if it'll just slip on there. Yeah, that's a good snug fit. While it's off, I'm going to go ahead and hit that with a little sandpaper in case I want to take this off in the future. Get a little sandpaper on here and knock off the big stuff. And then we're going to check it again and make sure that the crankshaft isn't bent. It doesn't appear to be. It looks like a nice tight spiral, you know. So let's see if this slides on there a little easier now. Yeah, that's a little better. You can hear it seat there. They run the sandpaper around on the inside of this adapter too, just a little bit, you know, just to clean up, make it a little easier to slide on and off. Okay, I think that's okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it a squirt. And the JD Blaster, love this stuff. Come on, you. Okay, getting low on my JD Blaster. Come on out of there. There we go. There's a little bit. Okay. So that's on there. Oh, that's the wrong one. No wonder it went on the wrong. This is the one I want. Okay. So now here is the new blade for this. This is a Oregon, and it fits this small print. I'll read it to you. MTD 4900 MTD 490-100-CO89, and then it also replaces the MTD 490-100-M084. This is a very, very common blade and will fit this mower just great. It's going to go on like that. So let me unwrap this beauty and we're going to get it on there. Brand new. And what I wanted to mention here is all this discussion about how sharp to make your blade. Well, this is a brand new blade and I've got gloves on, and you can rub along that cutting edge. And it's about like rubbing your hands on a knife you get at your dinner table, see? You can cut things with it if you press hard enough. So don't think your blade has to be razor sharp, because they don't even come that way from the manufacturer. So that's going to go on like that. With the curved portion, you can see how those, you want the curved portion, because it goes like this, curved blade goes like that. you want the ends down. The curve is going to go up top, and just make sure that that the cutting edge is leading, because when you pull the cord, the blade's going to go this way. It's going to be thrown into that discharge over there. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and snug this thing up and make sure that that's on the little bow tie center and the two nubs. Definitely feels like it is. Like you think I kind of see that one. You get that centered. It kind of clicks into place when the nub on this big washer slips into the little pinholes here. I'm just going to hand tighten that and get it so it's in place. Okay, so now that blade is nice and centered, and now it's ready to tighten. And in this case, I'm turning the screw this way, so I want to move my C-clamp underneath, because I don't want the blade to be hitting metal. I want it to hit that wood. So I'll reverse this, put it on the bottom. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and get it where it's touching there. All right. So now I can tighten this blade. Get a few turns like that before I really get down with it. That's pretty loose. Okay, that's pretty loose. That's pretty snug right there. That's just right. Now, I'm going to take the blade block off. We are going to look at this blade and see how a brand new blade comes around, and that is really nice. I don't see a big difference. If it's a difference, it's very small. So I think we're going to be okay with that. Let's look at it top to bottom. So I've got clearance there of about 1/2 inch, and now a little less than 1/2 inch. So this thing may wobble. We're gonna have to find out. But I don't see any danger, you know, like in other words, the blade's not below the deck in any substantial way. Okay. So we got our new blade on there. And let's take a pause here and we'll come back.